Let's say I want to multiply a matrix with a scalar number. So what is a scalar number? 5, 3.5, 7, 8, 9, 0.1, 1 over 10. Let's say I got a matrix A. The matrix A is given by 5, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. And I want to multiply this matrix by a constant called K. Yeah. So let's say K. I want to find out 3A. Yeah. So now I want to multiply this matrix 3A. The question is find 3A. Yeah. So I can add A plus A plus A, which is long. So I can do this. Whatever the matrix is, 5, 7, 8, 9, I multiply it by 3. The rule is that 3 goes with every element, and everything that's inside the matrix 5, 8, 7, 9, they are known as elements. So just do 5 times 3, 15. 8 times 3, 24. 7 times 3, 21. 3 times 9, 27. And that is the answer. Now let's say I want to find out, the question is find 1 over 3a. Yeah. So how I'm going to do 1 over 3a? I'm going to do 1 over 3, and then I got a, which is 5. Oops, sorry, not like the way you don't. That's the one. And then you just multiply everything by 1 over 3. So it's going to be 5 over 3. Ah, that's not a 3. That is a 3. 8 over 3, 7 over 3, and 9 over 3. I don't have calculator. So what I can do is I know 5 over 3, I don't know the value. I don't have calculator. I can leave it fraction. But this one, I know the value. So I can, instead of writing 9 over 3, I can just write 9 over 3 is actually a 3. Yeah. So that's it. So this is the answer. Let's say I want to multiply two matrices. First thing I need to do is I need to write down the order of the matrix. That is 2 cross 3, and that's 3 cross 2. You cannot multiply every matrices. You need to look at the order, and there is a rule. The rule states um, okay, the rule states this is the row and this is the column. Yeah, m cross n. Yeah, we call it m cross n. The rule states that this thing, the n of the first one, column of the first one, should be equal to the row of the second one. Yeah? And then only that you can multiply. Luckily, they are 3 cross 3. Yeah, so that number have to be same, and only then you can multiply. And the other thing is, you look at the thing that's left, 2 and 2. The order of the resultant matrix, the answer one, will be 2 cross 2. It will be a square matrix of 2 cross 2 in this case. Yeah. So now how do we multiply the matrix? The way we multiply the matrix is a little bit tricky, not very simple. Now the question is find A cross B, yeah, or find AB, yeah. So I need to find the AB. So how I do the AB? You just write the matrix again: 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. That's the first one. I'm just going to change the color for the other one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, happy there? So to multiply them, this is the trick. I know the answer is going to be 2 cross 2. Yeah. How I know the answer is 2 cross 2? Because just by looking here, that 2 and that 2 will be the order of the resultant matrix, the answer matrix. So that matrix is 2 cross 2. But why, if it's 2 cross 2, why I have put it so big? You will find out in a minute. The way we multiply is this. This row multiplies with this column. Yeah, this row multiplies with this column. So 1 times 1. Yeah, so you do 1 times 1 plus 2 times, actually I do properly. It will take time, but it's going to be proper. 1 times 1 plus, let's put in green, 1 times 1 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 5. Yep. Okay. So the way we do is we multiply the row with a column. The row with a column. Yep. That's how we multiply. Row with a column. Maybe I will need a bit more space. Now that one done. Now you do the same with the 4. So you do 4 times 1, 5 times 3, and 6 times 5. So you're going to do 4 if you have a look at here, you can actually see this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the green 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So in the green, you can actually see this green matrix. Yeah. And it will repeat on the other side as well. Okay. Now then on here, you do the same. So what I did is I multiplied this thing. This is what I did. I multiplied this whole thing with that one. And now I multiply, oops, sorry, not that way. I multiply this whole thing with that one. Yeah. Now I need to do with this with the second one. So I'm just going to change the second one color green. Just okay. So I'm going to do 1 times 7. Yes. So I'm going to do 1 times 7. So this one times by this 7 plus 2 times 8. So plus 2 times this 8, the blue 8. And then 3 times 9 plus 3 times 9. Done. Now I need to do the same for here. 4 times 7 plus 5 times 8 plus 6 times 9, the row column. The way I remember row column is radio control, RC cars. Yeah, that's all I remember. Otherwise, sometimes some people put it like the other way around as well. Um, yeah. So you can actually see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The green is here as well. So they are 2 times repeated. So now what you do is then you just simplify the bits. Let's use a yellow color. 1 times 1 is 1. So that's a 1. That will be a 6. Yeah. 1 plus 6 plus 15, whatever the answer is. So I'm going to write 1 plus 6 plus 15. Yeah. Which will give me an answer of, actually, I do a little bit here. A little bit more. That's enough space. So 1 plus 6 plus that one, that's going to be 22, is it? 22. Then we got 4 plus 15 plus 30. Yep. So that's 49. Is it 49? 49. Then I do that one. 7 plus 16 plus 27. Yeah. So that's 50. Then you do this one. 4 plus 7, 28, plus a 40, plus 9 times 6 is 54. Yep. Okay. 122. Yep. So that's your answer. And the order, look at the order of the matrix. Order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. How we know the order of the matrix 2 cross 2? From this black and that black. Yeah. 2 cross 2. This will be the order of the resultant matrix. Yeah. Yeah. Happy with that? That's the order of resultant. Okay. So let's have a look at this example. I know the brackets are curly, but put a square brackets a lot nicer, and that's the proper notation. So let's say we got this matrix, and they both are 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2, so we don't even have to check the order. So when you do that one, on the next slide, I have put the answer as well, so you can go and check the solution. And that's the solution for that one. And then we got a further some exercises here on next page. So these are the questions. Obviously, you need to find out if you can multiply it. First, you write down the order. So, and same, this you can multiply for sure, but the others you have to check. Well, in this case, yeah, all multiply, but you still have to check and write down, can you multiply or not. And the answers are here, not the solution, but the answers.